Hello and welcome to Maths by SAS. This is my fifth lesson of D1 chapter number 11 exercise 11C, that is about the interior and exterior angles of the polygons. These lessons I am making on special request of my junior students, and these lessons are equally important for junior students and my O-level students who have to appear in O-level examination, because this is one of the important parts of the O-level examination 4024. So juniors and seniors both can take benefit from these lessons. Before going to the lesson, there are some important terms, that what are the interior angles, what are exterior angles, and what is polygon. You should have the clear understanding of the formula for the sum of interior angles of the regular polygon. Formula for the sum of interior angles: sum of interior angles equals to n minus 2 multiplied by 180 degrees, where n is the number of sides, and sum of exterior angles of any type of polygons is always 360 degrees. Moving to the question, first let's read the question and understand the question. It's really important to read and understand the question. Question number 14 says that in the figure ABCD is the part of the n-sided regular polygon. The ratio of an interior angle to an exterior angle. The ratio of the interior angle to an exterior angle is 5:1. We have to find the number of sides, the value of n, then we have to find ACD angle, and then we have to find ADE angle. We'll be talking about each part one by one. In the question says the ratio of interior and exterior angle is 5:1. Now let's focus on the diagram. If we take the interior angle B, we know that we can extend the line over here, and interior and exterior angle are supplement of each other. Interior and exterior angle are supplement of each other. They make the shape semicircle. Their sum is 180 degrees. And as the given ratio is that the ratio of interior and exterior is 5:1. So if I'm supposing that the exterior angle equals to x, then interior angle will be equal to 5x. And as they are making a shape semicircle, and when we talk about the semicircle, okay, they make adjacent angles, they make supplementary angles, and the sum of the supplementary angles is always 180 degrees. So the prior knowledge has to be really clear. So what we have to do, first we are going to find that what is the size of one interior angle and one exterior angle. Let x be 1 exterior angle. Then according to the ratio given, interior plus exterior equals to 180 degrees. This will give me a 6x equals to 180 degrees, and x equals to 180 upon 6, and 6 ones are and 6 threes are. X equals to 30 degrees. So it means that the size of one exterior angle is 30 degrees. And now the requirement is we have to find the number of sides. we have to find the number of sides. Okay, This is one exterior angle. Actual requirement is why we are calculating the size of one exterior angle, that we need to find the number of sides. We know the formula for the number of sides is that one exterior angle multiplied by number of sides equals to 360 degrees. Okay, exterior angle, that is 30, and n be the number of sides, equals to 360 degrees, and n equals to 360 divided by 30. So 3 ones are and 2s are, n equals to 12. So this is a polygon with 12 sides. I hope you are clear about this. Okay, so I hope the idea is clear that why we are calculating the size of one exterior angle, because that will be helping us in calculation of the number of sides. Okay, and now we have to go to the second part, that is ACD angle. Again, we have to focus our attention on the diagram AC and D angle. So AC and D, we need to find this portion of the diagram. Okay, this is the requirement of the question, students. But if we look at angle B is the interior angle of the 12-sided polygon, and angle C is also one of the interior angles of that polygon. So first, in order to find AC and D angle, I need to know about that what is the size of BCD angle, and then what is the size of BCA angle. Okay, I hope you are clear that why we are finding BCA angle, because I need this portion of the angle only. So what we have to do, that we have to use the given ratio, that second part is AC and D angle, and it is given that the ratio of interior to an exterior angle. So one interior angle of this polygon will be 5 times x, that is 5 times 30 equals to 150 degrees. Now look, this whole angle is of Meyer 150 degrees, and again my BCD angle will also be of Meyer 150 degrees. This is my ABC angle, and ABC angle will be equal to 150 degrees. And now what we have to do, same my BC and D angle will be of Meyer 150 degrees. BC and D will also be of Meyer 150 degrees. And what is the reason? They are the interior angles of a 12-sided polygon, and the requirement is ACD. For that purpose, let me highlight with red pen that this is the angle starting with BC line and ending at CD line. Now you can see that we need this portion only. This is the extra portion. This one is the extra portion. Now what to do to find this extra portion? I have to take the triangle. Which triangle, students? A, B and C. A, B and C. Always give small references for the examiner to understand the message easily. Now this angle is of Meyer 150 degrees, and we do not know about these two angles, X and X, but we know that A to B and B to C are the sides of the regular polygon. and if they are the sides of the regular polygon, it means that the angles along these two sides will also be of equal Meyer. So what we are going to do is that we will be supposing that this angle is equal to x, this angle is equal to x. Okay, now in triangle ABC, x plus 150 degrees equals to 180 degrees. 2x equals to 180 minus 150. This will give me 30 degrees. 2x and x equals to 30 upon 2, which is equal to 15 degrees. Okay, this is the value of this portion, this angle, angle A, and angle C. Angle C, this is 15 degrees. And now students, actual requirement is AC and D angle. AC and D angle will be equal to what? That will be equal to BCD angle. BCD minus BCA, BCD full angle minus BCA angle, BC and A angle. BCD full is 150 minus 15, 10 minus 5 is 5, 4 minus 1 is, and this will be 135 degrees. Okay, I hope you are clear about this. And now the second requirement is AD and E angle, AD and E. Always focus on the diagram, that what portion of the angle we have to find. We have to find AD and E. This angle we need to find. Now students, think about that how we can find this angle of the diagram. Again we can see that we don't need angle D completely, we just need some portion of angle D. So for that purpose, if I am looking at diagram BACD, we can see that all sides of BACD are of equal Meyer. So if I am taking the quadrilateral BCA and D, BCA and D, this is B, C, A and D, we know that this angle is the interior angle. This is 150 degrees, this is again 150 degrees, and now we do not know about these two angles. Let it be Y and let this be Y. So what we are going to do is that we know that shape is a four-sided shape, and sum of interior angles of quadrilateral is 360 degrees. So Y plus 150 plus 150 equals to 360 degrees. And now 2y plus 300 equals to 360 degrees. Shift 300 to other side. 2y 360 minus 300, which is equal to 60 degrees. 60 degrees. 2y, and 2 will be shifted to other side. Y is equal to 60 upon 2, which is equal to 30 degrees. Now this angle A complete is of quadrilateral is 30 degrees, and angle D as well is of Meyer 30 degrees. 30 degrees. Now students, look, what is the requirement of the question? The requirement of question is AD and E. AD and E. So in order to get, again we are going to make use of the angle CDA and ADE. This total angle is equal to CDE angle. Now CDE will be equal to CD and E total. This angle is actually CDE angle is actually the sum of CDA plus ADE, which is the requirement, AD and E. Now we know CDE is total 150 degrees because this is the interior angle of the regular polygon. We just have calculated that is of 30 degree my year, 30 degree plus AD and E. ADE, I'm going really slow because these questions are really important for my O-level students as well as junior students, AD and E. And when I'm taking away 0 from 0, that will be giving 0.5 minus 3 is 2 and 120 degrees, and AD and E. So ADE will be equal to 120 degrees. These were the two problems of today's class. I hope you are clear about today's class. Please, for next difficulty level, catch me in the next class. Do not forget to press bell icon to get the notification of every lesson in time. Thank you very much.